Okay, I think this is part 4 or 5. I lost track. Snow Drive. We're on. We just turned on Jenks Lake Road West off Highway 38. I went down Glass Road to Seven Oaks. Road's great shape. Jenks Lake Road is pretty good. There's some icy spots and there's some berms breaking off. You know, take it easy. You can't drive normal speed up here right now because the snow. Like, see that berm collapse right there? There's balls of snow rolling down the mountain. Like, see these right here? So you can't go flying down 38. And there's still some snow and ice on Jenks Lake. There is. Highway 38's pretty cleaned off and dry, but there's melt across it, which is going to freeze. See right here where the berm's kind of collapsing? It's kind of like a one lane right here. But at least it's melting. Hopefully there's runoff. You know, there's weather coming in Friday, I think Friday, Saturday, rain. Zelle level's going to be 8K according to Ben's weather. That's going to put a lot of weight on the roofs that got snow, so hopefully this can melt down. Oh, look out there. Hopefully this can melt down off the roofs. Take some of that weight off. I've seen a lot of water coming off roofs where it's melting. But I've seen places where there's still 2-3 foot of snow on top of a roof. That's a lot. Yeah, this is gonna freeze tonight. I got 37. Oh, sorry about the camera. It's getting down, I think, into the 20s up here at night. High 20s. So yeah, be careful if you it was residents only, but now it appears 38, 330, and 18 are open to anybody. It's kind of amazing they would be letting regular public up here. There's no place to park. The snow play, plus the forest is closed. So I don't know why they're letting the general public up, because there's really no place to go to snowplay or park, and they're just going to get in the way and make the residents really upset when they, I don't know what I'm doing, when they trespass. Here's Camp Benneville. See there, wait, where's it at? There it is. Their sign's almost covered up. I don't know why I'm doing a blinker. See that? That's crazy. I gotta get out of here before it gets icy. I'm going up to get some gas cans. I was up here earlier. I drove up as far as Janet said the road goes through. I wasn't sure if the road went through. They're basically a big loop up here. I didn't want to get up here and plug up their only way in, so I backed out. Oh, I turned around by the lodge, but Janet said it goes through. The maintenance guy, Frank, is on the top. That's why I didn't want to go up and get stuck and block them. She said the road's good, but it's going to be a little icy coming down. Get in here and get out of here before it starts freezing. Yeah, this is all going to freeze up. I came up to about the lodge last time. Janet, I hope you're telling me good info, because, man, it's real narrow. I hate backing down narrow ass. Here's the lodge. She said it was open, so I should have had him come down here. Yeah. Oh Jesus, where's the road? Yeah, Janet, I don't want to get in here and stuck up here. I guess they got a little pickup truck. I thought they had a tractor though. I think they got a tractor up here. Because they said, Janet said they were going over and helping Camp Arbolito. Oh God. Janet. There's the maintenance area over there, the cabins up on the left there, so. I was hoping shape. I think, if I remember right, yeah, the road goes up here, and then that's the maintenance. This is Frank right here, I think. This is where the fire burned down right to the wood pile. This was scarier than hell when I was up here doing the fire. Bad. Here we go. I'm gonna shut the video up now.